Hello, my name is Pedro Cabral from Nova Information Management School and I will be delivering the course of Visualization of Data, Module 2. We will start Module 2.1 with Introduction Data Visualization. These materials were produced for the Joule project, funded by Erasmus Plus program from European Union. These are the contents. We are going to cover 4 subsections. We will start with an introduction about the course. Then we will explain what is data visualization in Section 2. We will explain why we should use data visualization in Section 3. Finally, in Section 4, we are going to do some exercises on Tableau Public. This is a very powerful data visualization tool. Introduction, about the course. This course will teach how to create visualizations that effectively communicate the meaning behind data through visual perception. Concepts about human perception of graphic information as well as different ways of mapping different forms of quantitative and qualitative data will be addressed. We will use Tableau Public software to complete data visualization exercises aiming to explore visual interaction with data for analysis and communication. Here you can see the contents of the course. The course evaluation will be done through quizzes and a final challenge, where you will show us your visualization and storytelling skills using Tableau Public. The materials of the course will be videos, tutorials, blogs, and quizzes. Section 2, what is data visualization? Data visualization is the representation of data and information in a visual format, such as charts, graphs, and other types of visualizations. It is a way to communicate complex information and insights through simple, easy-to-understand visuals. Data visualization helps to make patterns, trends, and relationships in data more apparent, enabling decision-makers to make more informed decisions. It can be used in a variety of fields, including business, science, engineering, and more, and can be created using a wide range of software tools and programming languages. Representations for the purpose of exploration, confirmation, or presentation. The aim is to go from datasets to the most effective data visualization product. Data visualization has the following objectives. To record information through blueprints, photographs. To analyze data to support reasoning through the development and assessment of hypotheses using visual exploration and through pattern recognition. To communicate information to others through sharing and persuading using narrative stories. Since ancient times there was the need to record information using different types of support. For instances, Paleolithic man recorded hunting information through cave paintings in Lascaux, France. Other scientists used paper to store information about scientific experiments. On the right we have an experiment about using sequence of images to better understand the movement of the horse. There are many other examples which are not covered here. Data visualization can also be used for analysis. In this slide you can see the first known examples of bar and pie chart which already reflect some kind of analysis of datasets. Data visualization is also a very powerful tool for communicating results. In this example you have Dr. John Snow London Cholera Map. He mapped the location of casualties in water maps, and by overlaying these two datasets he was able to identify where the problem was. The use of maps clearly facilitates communicating the analysis results. In this example you have the description of the Napoleonic campaign going from France to Moscow in Russia. It depicts the size of the army in the beginning and its progression through time and places. We can see the size of the army decreasing until their arrival in Moscow and their return. We can also see temperature over time. An image can really explain a lot more than words. So what is data visualization? We use data visualization because data is everywhere. So, we need to find effective ways of analyzing and communicating. The ability to take data, to be able to understand it, to process it, to extract value from it, to visualize it, to communicate, it's going to be a hugely important skill in the next decades. Because now we really do have essentially free and ubiquitous data. So the complementary scarce factor is the ability to understand that data and extract value from it. In data visualization, we use graphics because figures are richer. They provide more information in less space. Figures provide an overview of the structure known as the Gestalt effect. Figures are more memorable than words. There are tasks which are better performed by humans. Fortunately. For instance, creativity, cognition and common knowledge are still better performed by humans. Of course we need computers to help us with a lot of data-related tasks. However, there is still no such thing as automatic effective data visualization products generation. Maybe we will get there in the near future. Data visualization is a very powerful tool because of external cognition. Visual reasoning is faster and more reliable than mental reasoning. Visualization is about external cognition. We will use resources outside the mind to boost cognitive capabilities. We use storytelling techniques to better communicate data. Please consult the following video to better understand how a good story can help you on this fundamental task. We will use data visualization to summarize or generalize large datasets. In the following example, we have a product developed by New York Times, showing economic performance of 255 economic activities. Color is used wisely for representing negative performance with red and positive performance with green. This is not an out-of-the-shelf chart. You need to be creative. We also need to learn data visualization to avoid error. Here we have, on the left, pie charts that do not represent their size correctly according to the value they represent. Maybe, it is better to use the chart represented on the right. Do not believe everything you see on TV. Sometimes we see important mistakes. In this case, proportions do not add to 100%. Consult this website to see a nice collection of bad data visualization. We can learn a lot with these errors so we can avoid them. Please go to the Moodle platform and follow the exercise suggested for the module. Thank you for watching.